Okay, everybody. So this next video is going to be pretty quick, I think. I'm going to do both of these links right here fairly quickly. The first is the resources link, and I'm only going to briefly click on this and visit it. This one right here is going to be, when we have physical class, we spend a lot of time on this page, and I'm not entirely sure how much time we're going to spend on this page moving forward in the online components. I'm sure I will be pointing you to some of these videos and resources and PowerPoints and things like that as we go through the course. The big idea really is just to look at these topics. This is what the course is made up of. We're going to be doing all these topics as we go through this course. So the fundamental counting principle, which doesn't really say that here, it says it over here, grade, linear modeling, correlation and data mining, and so forth, and some other stuff down here at the bottom. This is going to be our kind of our framework, our guide for Math 105 as we go through the course. That's way too small. So that's this page. Nothing to really concern yourself with now, but when you're on the schedule page, as the schedule page starts getting built out, you'll start seeing things like topic, grade, topic, exponential modeling, financial, topic, data mining, and then you'll know where you're going to be looking if you need to go to those resources pages. I do want to point out one thing about the resources pages. It says in here, all of Sean's fundamental counting principle resources, all of Sean's intro to correlation data mining, all of Sean's grade resources, all of Sean's linear modeling resources. I'm just going to grab this grade one right here and just click on it. If you take a look at that document, let's hope it loads. Here we go. This is a multi-page document. I don't really use textbooks. I'll talk more about that momentarily. This kind of is, if you will, part of the textbook, this 19-page document on grade. What it consists of, for the most part, are lots and lots of type of exercises or problems, none of which I collect from you. These are simply kind of explanatory. So like, for example, just looking at this one, exercise 1, if a road rises, blah, 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 what is its grade? If you scroll down here at the bottom into the solutions for these, it'll tell you. There's Nicolas Cage. There we go, right there. And we actually tell you how to do these problems. And there's lots of that indeed, as you go down. So just so you understand what each of these documents is, that's kind of like a homework section from a textbook, so to speak. And then down here, there's lots of quizzes. We'll talk about quizzes as we go through. Don't worry about that right now. So I just wanted you to know what this page contains. It contains a lot of clickable resources that you can kind of poke through and look up how to attack some of these problems here. Okay, that's the resources page in a nutshell. The second link here is the Excel calculator, and I don't even want to open that right now. I want to wait to hear from folks to see how prevalent Excel ownership / usage is. I don't expect anybody in the class to know how to use Excel. That isn't a prerequisite for the course, but my intent in this class has always been to learn how to use Excel. And I just want to know how realistic it's going to be to teach this course using Excel remotely. Generally speaking, when we have these classes at COCC, I have them in classrooms that have computers in them, which is great because Excel is guaranteed then. I just want to make sure that that expectation is realistic when we're not in COCC classrooms. Cool. Okay, next video, we'll go through these links down here.